So, while my car was in the workshop, I have been driving my dad's 2011 Renault Megane 250 Cup. Renault Megane RS250 Cup. Yeah. So, we got the car since it was new, 2011, but I never had the chance to drive it because I did not have any license and my dad did not trust me with the car. But as I grew older, he kind of trusts me a bit. So I've been driving this car around. This has been a temporary replacement for my WIRA until it's ready. I've been driving this thing. It's a completely different beast, completely different car compared to my WIRA. I mean, it has like almost twice the amount of horsepower. My car has around 140 on wheel, and this car has about 250, I think, stock, because this car is completely stock, and it's turbocharged. So the power delivery is delay, lag, and then it comes full on. So it's a bit scary to drive, but the more I drive it, the more I know how to handle the car. So it has not been a problem, but I don't really send the car anyway. Anywho, with this car, I don't know what Renault has done with it. I mean, I feel like it's a completely different car. I've driven a Golf GTI. I've driven a Civic Type R, the FK2R, and the power delivery is not as aggressive as this one. I don't know why. Maybe it's the manual gearbox, but the Civic is also a manual gearbox. But I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me. But it's a very nice car to drive daily. And it's a very economical. Yes, the fuel consumption is very good, honestly, if you drive it on the highway. I drove from Penang to KL with full tank of Ron 97. The fuel tank capacity is around 60 liters, I think. When I got to KL, it was at half a tank. So I filled up Ron 97 again, around 35 liters for half a tank. The tank is huge. So I think that's very economical, since I was averaging around 130, 140 kilometer-ish on the highway all the way from Penang to KL. But most of the time it was on cruise control because the highway was empty, so I was not in a rush to go anywhere. I was comfortable at being around 130, 140-ish. So it's a nice car. But anywho, now we are on our way to go and check on my car. But before that, I need to drop by a hardware shop to buy a spray paint, because since the gearbox is out of the car, I want to clear it up and respray the whole thing silver again so that it looks a bit new. Yeah, I just got out of the hardware shop and I got this Anchor item spray. It's supposed to resist, it has supposed to be high resistance, so let's see. I mean, it's up to 600. So I don't know how hot my gearbox is gonna be, but I don't think it will work if you want to spray your calipers with it. I don't know, man. You gotta give it a try. But like, I just bought one. I don't know if it's gonna be enough. I'll try it out and then I'll show you guys when it's done. Oh, another problem with my car other than the fifth gear going back into neutral every time I put it in fifth. Is the wiring issue. So I've been facing the wiring issue for a while. So I got a full wiring harness from chopped up Lancer. So we're going to install that next week. I think we're going to finish the gearbox first. I'll show you guys the process. I don't know if it's going to be in this video or the next video, but we'll see. So you have 222 WIRA gearbox like this. It's going to be a common issue. So they have fixed this my gearbox, fully refurbished. I hope it's going to be okay when we put it in. I don't know, man. So this is the same gearbox from the C99 and the push rod. We'll see how it goes. Darling, please ignore the steering. So this is the thing that was fucked up. So aku kena perbetul benda ni kat tepi jalan, anak haramnya susah. And it was hot, it was scary because I was afraid that some lorry is gonna hit me from the back. But like, I had to bypass the socket because this thing is completely fucked. As you can see in there somewhere, the wire is out. I mean, dah putus lah. So I had to bypass this thing, and this is how I fixed it. I mean, it's a pretty decent job, but it gets the job done, it works. I'm back in Penang, so all is well. Okay, so thank God everything is well with the car. All that's left to do now is just putting the gearbox in. We need to put the gearbox in, and then we need to remove the old wiring harness that is still in the car and put in the new one. Well, it's not new, it's used, but yeah. I repainted the gearbox, so now it looks nice and silver rather than oily and black. Hopefully it changes the look of my engine bay a bit. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I can't think of any other problem with the car. I fixed most of it before I came back to Penang. I fixed the exhaust that is leaking. So your exhaust tu bocor and it sounds like a boat, and it's not very fuel efficient. So typically I can drive around I think I can drive at least 500 kilometers if it's city driving. I mean, if I drive around in Penang, okay, 500 kilometers on a full tank. But with the exhaust leak, I can only get around 300 if I'm lucky. So that's a lot. So I finally fixed it, and kinda made the car a bit louder. Other than that, I think the car is all good. We are also doing like basic wear and tear stuff. I'm changing the timing belt, I'm changing my engine mounts. That's all. And after this, when I get back to KL, the only thing that I need to fix is my alignment. I'm not satisfied with the alignment that I have right now, because the last time I had a proper alignment setup was over a year ago. And then I changed it all to like a normal person kind of alignment setup, so it's not really how I like it to be. So we're gonna get the alignment setup at PRS, where I get my suspension. So they are going to do the alignment setup for me. Other than that, that is all. I think once all of this is done, the car should be reliable again, because this entire year has causing nothing but problems for me. But I'm satisfied with the car. All the money that I put in, I mean, most of it are my dad's, but yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. So I'll get back to y'all with an update. Bye.
Check it out.
Who's bringing the flavor to your ear? Who's blowing up and coming through the atmosphere? Your girl be telling me that I'm the man of the year. Doing everything by myself, I am my own engineer. Who's bringing the flavor to your ear?